Moisture buildup inside headlights is a common problem, often causing foggy lenses or dim lights. Here are 3 simple methods to fix the problem and improve your vehicle's visibility and lighting performance. In the first method, to remove moisture from your headlights, use a heat gun to gently heat the outside of the lens. Hold the heat gun about few inches away from the headlight and move it around slowly to ensure the heat is distributed evenly. The heat will help evaporate the moisture inside. Be careful not to overheat the lens, as this could cause damage. Continue heating for a few minutes, and then check if the moisture has cleared. If moisture remains, insert a tube into the bulb socket of the headlight and attach the other end of the tube to a vacuum cleaner. Make sure the tube runs into a crevice tool and use duct tape to secure it in place. This setup will allow the vacuum to suck out the moisture from inside the headlight. Next, position a hair dryer to point at the vent of the headlight. Turn on both the vacuum cleaner and the hair dryer. The hair dryer will blow fresh air into the headlight, while the vacuum will pull out the old, moist air. By using this method, you will effectively remove moisture from inside the headlight. After following all these steps, if moisture continues to appear inside the headlight, it is time to remove and clean the headlight thoroughly. To begin, remove the 2 screws holding the headlight in place, and then carefully pull the headlight unit out of its housing. Next, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the headlight. Once that is done, remove the rubber or plastic cap that covers the light. After removing the cap, carefully drain any water inside the headlight into a container. Then, take out the headlight bulb and set it aside safely. Once that is done, place the rubber cap back on and clean the headlight with microfiber towels. Next, use a hair dryer to dry any remaining moisture or water inside the headlights. For hard-to-reach areas, create a paper funnel and place it on the hair dryer to direct the airflow. Afterward, apply a layer of silicone to the insulation tape around the perimeter of the headlight. Then carefully remove the tape. Finally, mount the headlights back into place. By following this method, you will fix the moisture problem and restore your headlights to full functionality. By following these simple steps, you will effectively remove moisture from your headlights and restore their clarity. However, if moisture continues to appear despite all your efforts, it may indicate a more serious problem. In that case, it is best to take your car to a mechanic for professional inspection and repair.